Lo budlelwano kutemabhizinisi kulamave lamabili lekulive laseSwatini nelive laseNigeria baqala muva ngeminyaka yangabo-1982. Minister we-State Federal Ministry of Industry, Trade and Investment, Honorable Ambassador Katagum uvakasheleke i-Royal Eswatini Sugar Corporation lapho-ke amukelwe yindvuna-ke temabhizinisi kuleli indvuna Mancoba Khumalo. Indvuna yetemabhizinisi ichazile ukuthi budlelwano-ke belive lakangwane nelaseNigeria kule minyaka-ke lemithatfu nengcenye bume-ke etigidini letintsatfu etemadola aseMelika. Honorable Minister of State, Nigerian Federal Ministry of Industry, Trade and Investment, Ambassador Miriam Katagum uvetile ukuthi budlelwane lelive leNigeria neleswatini linabo kutemabhizinisi buhle kakhulu.
Honorable Minister, please also note that the government of the Kingdom of Eswatini is working with the sugar industry to advance tertiary beneficiation of the sugar industry. And our ultimate aim is to develop what we call a sugar industrial park, where we're looking at all the final products that are made from.
Now, for us, it's heartwarming that while investments in the Royal Eswatini Sugar Company has over time yielded considerable returns, the Savage Sugar Company has been having a lot of problems. So we're wondering what's happening. These are two investments done in good faith, just done in the spirit of brotherliness.
Etindzabeni yemaswati channel kubika nohlanhla thwala ngina nontobeko Thabetse eSummerfield Botanical Gardens.